Oh, hello there, fancy seeing you here. Welcome along, I'm glad you're here because today I'm going to show you this brilliant Ford Focus. It's got the 1.6 litre engine, it's in Zetec trim and it comes with full service history, including the all-important Cambelt change last year. In this video, I'll show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the brilliant, clever car collection to give it a test drive. Let's take a look. Right, this is our Ford Focus Zetec. Now, it does come with a fantastic history, this. It's got full service history, as I mentioned in the introduction. It will come with a new 12-month MOT, which is next on the list of things to do. It has had an independent check over by an independent workshop, and everything's hunky-dory with this car. In this video, I'll walk you around it so you can see if there's any marks. There's a couple, but they're very, very small. It's in a fantastic trim, this. I absolutely love these cars. It's a 1.6 litre petrol. It has got 104 brake horsepower. 48 miles per gallon on the combined cycle, 2 previous owners, and we've got 2 keys, which comes with remote central lock-in. It's insurance group 11E and it is Ulez compliant. It will be handed over to its new owner with a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard, and you can upgrade that to a 12-month one with our partners warranty-wise if you so wish. Right, let's have a look at the details. The Zetec trim gives you nice stuff like these front fog lights. There are sports seats in the front and there's also a spoiler. And it looks smart, doesn't it? We give all our cars a clean with Auto Glym products and hand polish them all, and this one's come up beautifully. Right, there's a couple of minor chips there on the front, as you can see. Couple on the bonnet. This car's done 79,700 miles, so you expect a couple of little marks in that sort of mileage. But this one's nothing major. Couple there. Walking down this side, this alloy wheel, good condition. These are 16-inch alloys, lots of tread on that tyre. The driver's side, all looking pretty smart. Minor mark there on the wing mirror, but nothing major. Tinted rear windows, which is really handy if you've got kids, keeps the back nice and cool and also stops people prying in. Hello, that's me. This alloy wheel, all looking good too, lots of tread there. I'll walk around the back, show you the decent sized boot that you get on these. They are practical cars, Ford Focuses, as you can see, decent size. Split fold rear seat and a spare wheel, which is unusual. You don't get those all the time. So walking down the passenger side, this alloy wheel, great condition. I'll just show you in the back while we're here. Decent size and lots of space. Nice trim, grey and black. You've got ISOFIX points on both of those rear seats and those sports seats in the front. Just show you those because they're really smart and very, very comfortable. Right, rest of the passenger side, nothing sticking out apart from my reflection and the paintwork. This wing mirror looking good. This alloy wheel, minor mark there at the top there, but as you can see, very, very nice design and looking smart. Windscreen looks good, very, very minor mark there, as you can see, but not in the line of the driver. And a very minor mark on the roof there. But apart from that, not much else to report on the outside. Let's jump in. Okay, jumping inside. I will start her up so you can see there's no warning lights on the dashboard. While we're doing that, show you there is electric windows, electric mirrors, which are also heated. You get that cool heated windscreen, which is very good on winter's mornings. You get those with all Fords. You've got steering wheel mounted controls here for audio. This one controls the little screen just there. As you can see, 79,689 miles, and the only light is the handbrake one. Over here you have a really smart multimedia system. It has got DAB radio, FM and AM, CD player, as you can see here, so you're going to listen to your favourite share tracks. Here you've got aux in, which you can use for USB or devices or iPod, and you've also got phone. So you've got Bluetooth, hands-free. Air conditioning, very nice on a day like today, 5-speed manual gearbox. 12-volt power socket, and just here is a little slot where you can put all of your pound coins. So when you go and buy a 99 ice cream, they're there ready and waiting. And back here, USB and aux in, and a cup holder which has got the locking wheel nut in it at the moment. And just down here, a decent sized glove box. Right, let's look at the history. Okay, history-wise, made a few notes. Incredibly comprehensive, this car. So it is a 2014 registered vehicle in May. It's had checkovers in 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and a service and Cambelt change last year in 2024. It's just been serviced by our independent workshop on our behalf, so it's had that stamp in 2025. So a full service history, Ford Focus this. It will also come with that new 12-month MOT. That's the next thing that we need to do. And also you'll get that 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard. You can upgrade that one to a 12-month policy if you so wish with our partners warranty-wise. Talk to us about that when you come here to see it. We can deliver this car nationwide, so if you want home delivery, you like the look of this vehicle, we can offer that. Get in touch with us for a quote. And while you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader. We're an award-winning dealership here at the Clever Car Collection, and very, very proud of it. And that starts with giving people like you 5-star service. And we very much look forward to doing that when you come here to give this brilliant car a test drive. If you want to do that, I'm James. It's james@clevercarcollection.com. That's my email address. And there are loads of pictures of this car on our website. It's clevercarcollection.com. Right, hopefully I covered everything. Hope you like it, and if you want to test drive it, I very much look forward to seeing you very soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.